So in the previous video where we were creating a new user palette in the user lib folder, let me show you. We had created a new palette with this icon, and for icon we had used a picture constant, this one, and I had promised you that I will show you how that icon, that picture constant, was created, and in this video I will show you exactly how this can be achieved. So for the icon I was using LabVIEW's getting about dialog, which you can launch from by going to help menu and then choosing about LabVIEW. This was the icon that I was using. You need to take a snapshot of this. I will be using Snagit. Let me call it by pressing its shortcut, which is function key and print screen. And let me drag a rectangle, select capture. The Snagit editor comes along, and let me resize this icon to a small size. Let's change it to let's say 32 by 32. Let's see if we can. What I want to do is to change it to a square shape. This seems like right. Let's resize it then here, because it keeps the aspect ratio. Let's change it to 32 by 32 pixels. Apply, and let's save it. Let's place it in our the folder where, let's place it here. Save it. Let's close it. We don't need it anymore. Let's close it by clicking on it. Next we would need a VI called Read PNG file, the format that we had saved the icon in. Next, let's create another VI called Draw Flattened Pixmap, and we will be passing this information to it from the read. Let me enable the label so you can see which VIs we are using. Let's pass the error wires. This one doesn't have an error wire. So next, let's create an indicator. And this is about all that we need to do. Now let's run it. As we run it, this VI will ask for the path. Let's point it to our icon file. Maybe this one looks better. And our icon is placed here. Let's create a constant for it. Right click, create constant. Let's resize it to the desired dimension. And now you can just save it, right click it, make type def, right click it, open type def, and we can just save it, Control S, and you can place it. I had already done it, so I will not do it again. I have already created this for the previous video. So, and this is how you can create a picture constant and then use it wherever the code requires it. We used it for creating user palette icons for user palettes. Thanks for watching and keep visiting.